In this video, I will show you how to fix no pin post option in Facebook profile. First of all, open Facebook. Then click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then you will find this setting. Click on it. If you scroll down below, here you will find turn off professional mode button. Click on it. Then turn off your professional mode because in professional mode, pinning option is not eligible. Now let's go to the post which you want to pin, and one thing that you need to know is that you cannot pin reels, shared posts, memories or live events. You can pin photos, videos, etc. And now that you know what is eligible for pinning, click on the three dots, then you will find the pin post option. And if it is still not working, please go to Play Store, search for Facebook and check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your app. Then go to settings. Scroll down until you find apps. Click on it. Then go to app management. Then search for Facebook. Click on it. Then go to storage uses. Here click on clear cache. Then try completely shutting off Facebook from the recent app and try relaunching it, and your problem should be solved now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.